Hello everyone, welcome to the new episode of the channel. In this section, we will try to make a wooden Heron bird sculpture. We are using a plane tree. We cut as much as we need. We flatten one surface on the planer because the reference surface must also be a flat in order to cut the other side flat. We made the drawing by hand. We are not using a template for this project. We started with the bird's beak, then its head and the body. The main drawing is ready. And yes, we would be very happy if you subscribe to the channel and support us. And now we are completing the first stage of the wooden sculpture by cutting the template. We take care to use the saw at straight angles as much as possible. After cutting the last piece, the template of the statue is ready. We thin the neck and the head part. We started smoothing the edge with a hand planer, but we made a mistake here. We started turning the edge without adding the additional parts. The sides had to be flattened for the wing parts. Since we did it without adding the additional part, we will have a gap problem between the two parts. But we will solve this problem, and this mistake will add very nice flavor to the sculpture. In the end, you will agree with us. So the following message emerged from here. What the worst that could happen? After all, this is a freelance work. We can tolerate mistakes as we wish. Now we are cutting the pieces we will add to the sides. We glue the piece, and as you can see, there is a gap in between. That's the problem we are talking about. Let's see how much it will improve as we shave and sand it. We continue carving and smoothing the edges with a rasp. The bird appeared quite a bit. Now it's time to make the legs. We leave the joint part thicker. We fill the gaps using glue and sawdust and started sanding the surface to soften it and gave it its final shape. We give depth to the body by carving the lower parts of the wings. We always make the final touch by hand. We create the bird's eyes using the burning technique with a round iron rod. And we create the pupil with a nail whose tip we cut off. We use this beautiful olive tree slice as a stand. And now we are assembling the legs. We have come to the most enjoyable parts to do and watch: oiling and the coloring. We prefer antique pine color for this project. We have come to the end of another work with our mistakes and flaws. The joy of handmade products lies in these imperfections. It is possible to create a fabricated and perfect sculpture by using technology, but we worked for 2 days for this sculpture, and as you can see, every stage was made with tools and by hand. Its feature and beauty are already here. We are waiting for your comments. Our store links where we put such products are also in the description. Thanks for watching. See you on next video.